Hello viewers, this is Kulsum Ahmed. Today we are going to talk about duopoly. This is the topic of microeconomics. So let's start what duopoly is. Duopoly is an oligopoly with only two members. It is the simplest type of oligopoly. So you can understand that it is the subcategory of oligopoly. But in oligopoly, you could remember that we can have 2 to 20 firms working together for the market share and they have the complete supplies. But over here, we have just two companies working together. You can take the example of Google and Facebook when they have 63% of digital market advertisement share. So this is the data of 2019, and the same lines you can have the example of smartphones, Apple and Android. So they are forming duopoly because they have lion's share with them. Then types of duopoly, we can have pure duopoly, we can have impure duopoly. Now what is pure duopoly? When we have identical or homogeneous goods, we will call it pure duopoly, and when we have differentiated goods, we will call it impure duopoly. Now here is the example when we can have the quantities produced into the market. So gradually we can increase the supplies into the market. But you know that initially when a product comes into the market, its rate is high. But gradually with the passage of time, when we can bring in more and more supplies into the market, its prices will be falling down. Now let's take out the revenue. For calculation of the revenue, we remember the formula, that is price into quantity. So when we are going to multiply these two, we can get the revenue. So 10 multiplied by 110 will be 1100. 20 multiplied by 100 will be 2000. 30 multiplied by 90 will be 2700. 40 multiplied by 80 will be 3200. Now by seeing all this data, you can understand that 3600 is the maximum that we are getting. So 3600 means we should produce 60 gallons of water and we can have $60 as a price. So this is the data as per the duopolist profits. So let's see what is happening. The price of water in perfectly competitive market would be driven to where the marginal cost is zero. So where the marginal cost is zero, that was when we were producing 120 gallons of water. But in oligopolist, we can have price as a $60 and quantity produced was the 60 gallons, because here our profits were maximized. But here P was equals to MC. So this is the equilibrium point in perfect competition, and this is the equilibrium point in the monopolistic competition or any imperfect competition. Now the socially efficient quantity of water was 120 gallons, but the monopolist would produce only 60 gallons. So this is what we can expect from a duopolist, because he will not get loss. He will not give loss to himself. So this was all about my today's lecture. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.